This is the graph of a quadratic equation. All quadratics can be graphed into these cool little shapes and have all of these neat characteristics. Want to solve one? Use basic algebra. Can't do that? Factor it. Can't do that? Complete the square. Can't do that? Quadratic formula. If you're too lazy to do math,
Oh, okay.
but chances are you know this stuff. And textbooks problems, let's be honest, are kind of boring. So let's make this more interesting. Let's throw some rocks.
I wanna rock!
This is Krag, and he is one of the silliest, wildest, and most fun characters I've ever played in any fighting game ever. But this video isn't my cool Krag montage. This is a math video where I do math. So let's do some math. Krag has a funny little move where he pulls a rock out of the ground. Now, aside from being a core part of his gameplay, this rock is affected by something called gravity that Isaac Newton invented in 1687, I think, which means that it cannot fly indefinitely. What it can do, however, is travel in an arc when tossed. You probably already know where I'm going with this. Find the x-intercepts, plug them into factors, and then multiply them together to get a quadratic that models how the rock moves with the throw. Same thing can be done for when you hurl a rock with a side flip. Alright, let's make things a little more interesting, yeah? What if instead of throwing a rock, we drop-kicked another guy? Obviously not in real life, don't do that. Please don't do that. The launch trajectory of attacks could be somewhat modeled by parabola, and vary depending on both the attack and how much damage. The key word is somewhat, because the parabola starts to seep in downwards after the opponent travels a certain distance, so it'd be more akin to a piecewise function, rather than a single quadratic. Want to make things more complicated? Start picturing in directional influence, or DI, which alters the angle that attacks launch you, which in turn affects both the maximum and factor compression of the parabola. Now, if you want to get really crazy, further, this would be cool Krag montage and not math video. So that's gonna be the end. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Oh, and real quick before I end the video, go play this game! No, seriously, go play it. Like, right now. It's one of the most fun fighters out there. If you like Smash, then chances are you'll like this game too. If you can't afford Rivals 2, then I highly implore that y'all check out Rivals 1 solely for the workshop. Okay, if it's over for real this time, thanks for watching. Bye!
Well, this has grown tiresome. Until next time, kids.
Goodbye!